Hey guys, as you can see, our garden hose snapped again. So time for another speedy repair by HowToEngineering. So to start off, we have a fitting which comes with a cap that goes on it. For tools, we need a Phillips screwdriver because that's what fits into here. Looks like a flathead would also work, but Phillips is better. And a knife. What the knife is for cutting the old hose and making a nice flat spot for the new one to connect to and seal onto. So there we go, a nice flat piece. Next, we want to loosen this fitting, which loosens the fitting to fit over the hose. Maybe I should loosen it more. There we go. Now this part goes in. And this part goes up to the end. May need to be loosened more. Or more. And now we tighten it down. Okay, and now we slide the hose protector to prevent bending. Nice metal fitting. Looks like we're good to test it. So now we connect the hose to test it. Make sure there's no leaks. Let's turn it on. The hose is filling and building up pressure. I do not feel any leaks. It's good.